Guys, tingnan nyo to guys. Thank you. Tingnan ito guys. Oh, sheesh. Ang ganda. Kita mo yun, no? Whew. Sarap tingnan. Katapos mo lang kumain, tapos nakakita ka ng ganitong view. Parang sarap matulog.